everybody, it's time for Drop and Craft, and today we are making turkey thankful bags that you could actually put on your Thanksgiving table in front of everybody. You can write, I am thankful for, and then the person has to fill it in, and then you can go around the table and hear what everyone's thankful for. So the first thing you need, I didn't have any brown bags, so I have a white one, but you can use a brown lunch bag or any color bag you want. I got white paper for my eyes, stickers, an orange piece of paper for my nose, and my little red goiter, and crayons and feathers and glue and scissors. This is how we're doing it. First thing I'm going to do is I folded a piece of white paper over because turkeys have two eyes, so it's just easier so you don't have to cut them separately. So I'm going to cut my circles. You can first do it in a pencil if you want, or a crayon, and this way you can go around the line. I'm going to take my two black stickers, or you can fill it in with black marker or anything. I'm going to make my eyes. Then I'm going to, turkey only has one nose, most of them, and one nose, so I'm going to make a nice long turkey nose. And then my little goiter, because I don't know if that's what it's really called, but that's what I grew up calling it. I'm going to cut that out. So I have all my pieces in front of me. I have my feathers, I have my crayons, and we are going to start. I'm going to open up my glue. I'm going to open up my glue. I'm going to glue on my eyes. That. So I got my eyes going. You can make them cockeyed. You can make them any way you want. I got my nose in the middle there. And my little red goiter is gonna, that goes under here, is gonna go underneath my nose. So far, I have that. Then I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna put glue on the back of my bag. And I'm gonna start putting on feathers, and you can use any kind of feathers you want. I'm just going to use funky feathers because today I feel like being funky, and my turkey's going to be funky. And you put your feathers on. You're going to take, I'm going to use a crayon. I'm going to take my crayon, and I am going to write, I am thankful for, and I'm going to write, I don't know, I am thankful for everything. And that's your thankful turkey. And what's nice about this is every year you can do this and look at them every year if you have Thanksgiving with the same people. We will see you next week. Bye.